Lemon rice is one of those hassle-free recipes which can be put together in exactly 2 minutes. It's one of South India's most popular dishes, which is generally made with leftover rice. So let's not waste any time and let's get to cooking lemon rice. First, I'm going to start with mixing the rice and the lemon juice. I have some boiled rice over here. And now I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. Always taste the amount of lemon juice that you need to add because everybody likes a different quantity. Add some salt. Mix it well. And now I'm going to make the tempering for it. Heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, I'm going to add some split gram dal, some split white lentil. Let them cook for a few seconds. And next I'm going to add some peanuts. Let the lentils and the peanuts turn brown a little bit. Add some cashew nuts. Once everything is nice and brown, I'm going to add a dry red chilli. Just de-seed it a little bit. Curry leaves. Asafoetida. And I'm going to add some finely chopped ginger. It's optional, not that everybody likes to add it. Some turmeric powder. It adds the color to the rice. And now I'm going to add the lemon infused rice. Finely chopped green chilies. Coriander leaves. If you like the flavor of ghee, you can always add a little bit at the end, but it's optional. Let's toss it for the last time. I'm going to fill it in this bowl and unmold it on my serving plate. Just press on it properly. I'm going to flip this over. Beautifully unmolded. I'm going to serve it with some pickle and some papadams. Do try this at home. It's a very simple recipe that you can even make for breakfast or even carry it as a tiffin snack. Comment below, subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.